Stock fundamental analysis with Excel. The objective of this course is for you to learn stock fundamental analysis main concepts from a basic to an expert level while you practice with Apple's data using Microsoft Excel as your analysis tool. At the end of this course, you will be able to understand main financial statements such as balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement, interpret financial ratios to analyze operating activity, investing activities, liquidity, solvency, profitability, and investment valuation ratios such as price ratios, enterprise value ratios, and yield ratios. Estimate cost of equity through capital asset pricing model, Fama-French three factors model, or arbitrage pricing theory model, and cost of capital through weighted average cost of capital model. Assess economic profit through economic value-added model and observed market value-added model. Approximate theoretical stock price through discounted cash flow models such as discounted dividends model, discounted free cash flow to equity model, and discounted free cash flow to firm model. Estimate stock option prices through Black & Scholes model, binomial tree model, and Monte Carlo simulation method. This course is ideal as you're an undergraduate or postgraduate who wants to learn about stock fundamental analysis using Microsoft Excel. You're a finance professional or academic researcher who wishes to deepen your knowledge in equity research. You're an experienced investor who desires to research stock fundamentals. It's very important to remember that this course is not about get-rich-quick trading systems or magic formulas.